we got Samsung A20 not charging due to water corrosion. The customer brought the phone to me. He didn't told me there is water leaked inside. He just told me the device is not charging and not working. We can see sign of charging, but the phone just keep repeat the sign. It's go on and then go out. I hate when people didn't told you the truth. I don't know if they do that the water leaked inside or not. Whatever, we are going to fix this problem. As you can see, the sign go and then come out. Okay, now we are going to open the device. Open the A20. We need to remove the back cover. It's from plastic, not from glass. This device seems opened before. I didn't hit the back cover. If it's the first time, you need to hit the back cover, otherwise it won't remove like this way. The adhesive seems very soft, so I was able to remove it without any heat. In the middle we have two flex cables. In the top of the middle of the device we have fingerprint flex cable. It's on the right side. In the middle to the right side there is the flex cable, so don't push the plastic tool to that position unless you want to cut this flex cable. You can see it's connected to the right, so I had to remove the flex cable before proceed. Now you can unplug the flex cable of the fingerprint sensor. As I told you, two flex cable in the middle, one flex cable to the right of the top corner. Three cables we need to care not to avoid damaging them. Now you can remove all the screws from the frame. After that, it's important to remove the SIM card slot. Otherwise, when you remove the frame, you could possibly damage the SIM card slot. Now you can push the frame out from the housing. Oh, I forgot one screw. It's on the sticker. I didn't notice this screw. Okay, it's removed. It's obvious in the looking at the charging board. You can see the red sign sticker that there was a water leaking. After removing the flex cable of the screen and the flex cable connecting sub to the mainboard, there was corrosion, making the short, avoiding the device from turning on. There is too much of water leaked corrosion. After checking the flex cable of the screen, also there was corrosion to the flex cable of the screen and the screen itself. So what we are going to do is to clean all the corrosion, and then we will put all back and test if there is anything is damaged. If the sub is damaged, we are going to replace it. If the flex cable is damaged, we are going to replace it. And if the screen is damaged, also we are going to replace it. But I'm always trying to fix for the lowest price for the customer. Bring your alcohol and a brush and start cleaning. Clean every point of the corrosion. Don't let any corrosion on there. Make it clear as new. Then assemble and test. After I noticed there is water leaking to the device, I should remove the all flex cables and check the top and the bottom of the flex cable. It's good. and the screen flex cable to the board. It's good from the top. Okay, I had also to remove the board to check the opposite side of the board to check if there is any liquid. You can see the sign of the sticker. It's original, not red, so there is no water on the top side of the device. It's just at the bottom of the device. After cleaning, now I'm going to assemble and see if there is any problem. If there is any problem, I should replace it or fix it. Now I'm going to put the device on charger to see if the device will charge now or not. We got the first sign of charging, but the phone doesn't charge successfully. We still have some problem. Okay, we should unplug the charger and then see what the problem is. As we all know, water corrosion doing some short to the board, and this short could damage anything and encrypt some data. Sometimes the battery, when short happens, the battery goes under 3.7. I'm going to check the battery to see the voltage of the battery, and the voltage was 2.6. So in order to device to charge up, we need to charge the battery outside the board. There is two cables. You bring charger with 5 volts and cut the wire, the positive and the negative, and then take this clippers and put the negative to the negative and positive to positive, then connect it to the multimeter. After that, we put the points to the positive and the negative of the battery, and then the battery will start charging, as you can see. No need to put high volts, 5 volts is enough. It's, as we know, it's a normal charger. It's like the one you use to your phone. We need to raise the volt to 3.7, and after that I will put the battery to the board and then try to charge it with normal charger. Again, I'm going to explain what did I do. I brought a Samsung charger. It's with 5 volts. I cut the wire where is the USB charging. I cut it. I had 2 cables. It's one positive and the other is negative. Then I brought this clippers. It's the yellow and the cream. I put one to the positive and one to the negative. After that, you put these clippers to the multimeter. You should see the multimeter with positive view. After that, you put the pins of the multimeter to the positive of the battery and negative to negative of the battery. Don't mix the positive and the negative on the battery. You could make something possibly dangerous. The battery could heat and do something we can't understand it. So it's important to put all the negative to negative and the positive to positive. Don't mix any line to other one. Before I proceed to start charging the device, I'm going to check the charging voltage of the board. You can check that, put the charger on and then check the battery on the board connector. As you can see, it's 4 0.50 60 volts, so we are good. The charging and the volts are going to the device normally without any problem. So now the device should start charging without any problem. Put the charger on and wait few seconds. The device should start charging normally without any problem. The sign, after the sign, that's 0 and then 1 2 3. That was for today. Thank you for watching. We will do something else in the next video. See ya. Like, subscribe, enable the ring. Click subscribe in the circle. For any questions, write it below.